Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought this very beautiful ladies pattern for you. You can use this pattern in any ladies sweaters, frocks, shawls, caps, baby blankets. From front side our pattern will look like this, and from back side our pattern will look like this. For this pattern we need to cast on multiple of 4 stitches plus 1 stitch to complete the pattern and plus 2 stitches for the border, and this pattern is of 4 rows. For demonstration I have taken 15 stitches. So let us start now. This is our first row. Slip first stitch and then repeat pattern. Knit 1 stitch, yarn over, and then knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. After these 3 stitches again yarn over, and here repeat pattern completes. Second repeat, knit 1 stitch, yarn over and knit 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Again yarn over. Here our second repeat pattern is completed. Now knit 1 stitch, yarn over and knit 3 stitches. Now yarn over and completed third repeat pattern. Now knit 1 stitch and purl edge stitch. This is our first row. Now second row from wrong side. Slip edge stitch and then purl all stitches. Purl on yarn over also. Complete row with purl stitches. Now purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our second row from wrong side. Now let us start our third row from front side. Slip first edge stitch and then repeat pattern. Knit 2 stitches and now knit 3 stitches together. For that slip first stitch knitwise and then knit 2 stitches together from front loop and then pass slip stitch. Here we have made our knit 3 stitches together. Now knit 1. This is our first repeat pattern. Again second repeat pattern, knit 2 stitches and then knit 3 stitches together. For that slip first stitch and then knit 2 stitches together from front loop and pass slip stitch over knit 2 stitch together. Now knit 1 stitch. Here we have completed our repeat pattern. Again next repeat, knit 2 stitches and then knit 3 stitches together. Slip first stitch knitwise and then knit 2 stitches together from front loop and pass slip stitch over knit 2 stitches together. Now knit 1 stitch. This is our first repeat pattern. Again knit 1 and purl last edge stitch. Here we have completed our third row. Now fourth row from wrong side, slip first stitch and then purl all stitches. Now purl last edge stitch. This is our fourth row and also last row of the pattern. Repeat these 4 rows till you reach your desired length. After few repeats, our pattern will look like this. If you like my video, then please like and share it, and if you are watching my video for the first time, then please subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. So friends, meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye. See you. Bye bye.